Let's be real. Creating content in Uganda, it is tough. You're constantly dealing with things like limited data, not enough time, and maybe not the best equipment. But what if I told you there's a tool that could literally change the game for creators just like you? Okay, let's jump in and see how artificial intelligence can help you work faster and a whole lot smarter.
Okay, let's have a real talk for a second. Do you ever just feel completely drained? Like the demand to constantly create new stuff is just wearing you out? Trust me, you are not alone. That feeling of burnout is probably one of the biggest hurdles we all face.
Because, the reality is that most of us are a one-person show. There's no big team, no production crew helping out. Nope, it's just you, your idea, and a whole mountain of work ahead of you.
And chances are you're doing all of this with the most powerful tool you've got right in your pocket, your smartphone. I mean, it's your camera, it's your editing desk, it's how you get your stuff out to the world. It's everything, all in one.
Just stop and think about what your job actually is. You have to come up with the ideas, then you have to write the scripts, then you're the one recording, then you have to edit it all, and then you have to post it. You're doing all of that every single day just for one piece of content. It is a huge amount of work.
And that right there, that is the #1 reason so many talented people just give up. It's got nothing to do with a lack of good ideas. It's pure exhaustion. The sheer amount of work is just overwhelming.
But what if you could get some help? What if you had an assistant? Well, this is where artificial intelligence, or AI, comes in. Now, don't let the name scare you. Don't think of it as some crazy, complicated tech. Just think of it as your own personal creative assistant, ready to help take some of that pressure off your shoulders.
So what are we really talking about when we say AI? Let's break it down. Super simple. It's a tool. Think of it like a smart notebook. It doesn't just hold your ideas, it helps you organize them, expand on them, and it can even automate some of those really boring, time-consuming tasks for you.
And we're not talking about abstract stuff here. This is real, practical help. Imagine you're stuck for ideas. AI can brainstorm a whole list for you. Need a script? It can help you draft one. Need that perfect hook for the first 3 seconds? It can do that. It can even help you write better captions, translate your content for a bigger audience, and plan out your posting schedule.
But here is the absolute most crucial thing to remember. You are still in the driver's seat. You're the director. AI is just the co-pilot. It's there to help and to speed things up, but it doesn't have your experiences, your voice, or your unique point of view. At the end of the day, you are still the creator.
And hey, this is for everybody out there who is a phone-only creator, which is probably most of us, right? Well, I've got some amazing news. All these powerful AI tools, they're designed to work perfectly right on your phone. You do not need some fancy, expensive computer.
And you want to know the best part? It is so easy to get started. Seriously, if you know how to send a message on WhatsApp, you already have all the technical skills you need to start using AI. It's that simple.
All right, so we've established it's like a helpful, easy-to-use assistant. Now let's talk about its real superpower, the incredible amount of time and creative energy it can save you.
I want you to just look at the difference here. It's a total before and after. Without AI, trying to find one good idea can take hours, and writing a script can feel like pulling teeth. But with AI, boom, that one idea suddenly becomes 5 different ideas, and you can get a solid first draft of a script in just minutes. It is literally night and day.
So what's the big result of saving all this time and all this mental energy? Well, you get the one thing that matters most online. The one thing every algorithm loves and every audience wants: consistency. You can finally show up for your people regularly without burning yourself out.
And you know what consistency gets you? Growth. When you show up again and again with good content that sounds like you, your page, your channel, it grows. It really is as simple as that. Okay, but with a tool this powerful, we've got to talk about using it the right way. This isn't about letting a machine take over your creativity. It's about using it smartly to make your own unique voice even louder.
So here's a super simple 3-step plan. Number 1, always edit what the AI gives you. Never just copy and paste. 2, you have to add your local flavor, your Ugandan experience that only you can provide. And 3, and this is the big one, make sure it sounds like you. Speak in your own voice.
Look, just remember this one thing, okay? AI is a tool. It's like a better camera or a faster editing app. It is not your personality. Your personality, your humor, your way of seeing the world, that's your secret sauce. That's what people connect with.
All right, let's zoom out for a minute, because this is way bigger than just making your life a little easier. This is about a massive opportunity for the future of content creation in all of Uganda.
I mean, just look at the potential we're sitting on right now. We have one of the youngest populations on the planet, internet access is spreading like wildfire, and the amount of raw, untapped creative talent here is it's huge.
So listen up, because this is important. The creators who start using these AI tools right now, the ones who figure out how to make them work, they are the ones who are going to define the future. They're going to have a massive head start on everyone else.
And look, this has nothing to do with being smarter than the next person. It's not about that at all. It's about being prepared. It's about seeing the wave coming and learning how to surf it instead of getting knocked over by it.
So let's just boil it all down to what this really means for you. It's simple. AI gives you the power to create more. It gives you the power to stress less, and it gives you the power to grow faster. More content, less stress, faster growth.
So I'm going to leave you with this one final thought. You already have the talent. You have the ideas. You have the stories that nobody else can tell. AI is just the tool that can help you bring them to life. So the only question left is, what will you create?